Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to convert USDT to TON on Binance. So if you also want to convert USDT to TON on Binance, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up a Binance application. Make sure you're logged into your wallet. You can see over here Binance application is opened. Now at the top left corner, you'll be able to see the icon that contains Binance logo. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several options over here: Web3 wallet, deposit, convert, referral, rewards hub, support. All you have to do is tap on the convert option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see two boxes over here, from and to. You can see 1000 sats crypto being selected in the from section. All you have to do is tap on it. Now find the option for USDT. If you do not find this option, simply tap on the search bar. Now type in USDT. You can see over here USDT will be appeared. All you have to do is tap on it. Now tap on the crypto of the to section. Now here you'll have to find the option for TON. If you do not find the option, simply tap on the search bar. Now type in TON. You can see over here TON will appear right over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now simply enter the amount of USDT that you want to convert to TON. Simply tap right over here. Now enter the amount. Now all you have to do is tap on the trade option that you can see right over here. Now you'll have to confirm the order. You can see over here you're converting USDT to TON. You can see all the details over here. You can see the type, transaction fees and rate. Since I do not have sufficient balance, I'm not being able to confirm the order. But you'll be able to see the option for confirm over here. All you have to do is tap on it. And after that, your USDT will be converted to TON. So that is how you convert USDT to TON on Binance. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.